Now, speaking of Elon Musk or the Musk brothers or Tesla, how about this weird story? Mysterious address with 3 billion in Dogecoin sends cryptic binary messages to Elon Musk. This is a very weird... People are speculating that Elon Musk might be in control of this 3 billion worth of Dogecoin at one particular address. All right. So let me just obviously we've been following what he's been saying about Dogecoin on social media, talking about going to the moon. The people have spoken. Yeah. Doge and all the rest of it. There is this address, this one Doge address, $1 billion Doge address that consumed over 20% of the entire supply since 2019. Think about that for a second. 30% of the entire supply of Doge at one address. Worth $3 billion. All of a sudden you're like, who could this possibly be? And you start to speculate, right? Then, a touch over a month later, after the address received its first transaction on February 6th, Musk said, Dogecoin might be my favorite currency, cryptocurrency. So people start to draw the connection. They say, okay, account opens up. It's his favorite cryptocurrency. Since then, that address managed to gather around 36.8 billion Doge, worth $3 billion today. And in recent days, speculators have assumed that it might belong to Elon Musk. But then things get crazier because one person has tried to figure out that if there's been binary, look at this next thing here. People have been discussing the mysterious address. People have noticed that the owner of the address has been sending odd transactions, which can be transcribed into binary code. Can you read that one there? So this was a transaction actually sent to the wallet. Can you read what it says? Is it you, Elon?
Oh.
Question mark.
That's what it said? Oh.
But that's somebody intentionally sending it to the address, asking a question via binary. One person who tried to figure out the code said he couldn't translate it, and it was a lot of gibberish. Others discovered that one set of transactions displayed Elon Musk's birth date. Other people are speculating the address might belong to the exchange Robinhood. Anyway, it's a lot of conspiracy, a lot of speculation. They even bring Elon Musk's new son into the mix.
Lil X.
Yeah, Lil X. Musk tweeted about the meme currency again. So yeah, I mean, look, somebody's got 3 billion in Dogecoin, and he's been very vocal about Dogecoin. So you have motive.
Yep.
And it's a fun conspiracy to try to travel down, but it does bring up, it is interesting, like the hype money and how social media and just the power of it right now has allowed, like, look at Doge. Doge was dead. And then the right people, the right influencers say the right things, and it's a completely different situation. Or, I mean, I guess GME was kind of a similar situation. It's at 68 cents right now. It's actually down a little bit today. But still, if you put like I don't know, a 1 year on it, look at that. Like, just a quick couple, just the right people talking about it.
Yeah.
So it does create an incredible opportunity to generate wealth, unprecedented maybe.
It was
Imagine
0.003 cents.
Yeah, 0.003. So imagine for a second, like, that you're a guy with the I'm not suggesting this happened, but imagine you're a guy with the profile of Elon. You know what you say people do, and you just pick up some quick Doge, a bunch of it at 0.002, and you just keep tweeting.
Yeah.
It's the easiest work of your life. 7 tweets, $3 billion. You can't beat that.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of incentive and motivation here, and it's a curious time to be involved in. And a lot of other people, like, let's be honest, even with 27% being in that one address, a lot of other people made money here too.
Yeah.
Bought and sold. Whether it's crypto or a stock. Is, you know, the hype machine, full effect.
Mm-hmm.